We come now to our third operation. We have multiplication of functions class. As you observe here on the board, we have here our graded notation. Kung inyo mong makapansin class, ito pong symbol na to, di ba? If you still remember during your junior high school years, di ba? Starting from grade 7 up to the grade 10, very familiar po kayo dito. Sana. Very familiar. Ito po yung symbol na ginagamit natin along with our operation multiplication. So ngayon, ano ba yung notation or ano ba yung formula na kailangan natin sundin for us to be able to obtain or to compute or to find the product of two particular functions, which are the function f or the f of x or the function g or the g of x. We have here f multiplied to g of x is equal to f of x multiplied to g of x. Ngayon class, applying this operation, para rin naman po kayong nag-multiply ng polynomial. Ang pinagkaiba lang is, kailangan natin sundin yung notation na to, di ba? If you still remember the addition of functions and then the subtraction of functions po, di ba? We are being graded by those notations. But still, process upon adding or subtracting polynomials are just the same. So applying the idea here on our third operation, let us now consider. Okay, let us now consider example number 1. But before that, ito pala yung maging set up po natin. I'm gonna give you maybe 6 to 7 examples. But magsimula po tayo sa monomial. Up to trinomial if kaya. So let's have now example number 1. Our value for function f is x and our value for function g is 2x. Applying our notation, we have f multiply to g of x is equal to f of x multiply to g of x. We're going to have x. Pwede rin mo naman na siyang from this particular dot, opo, having this notation, pwede mo rin naman na siyang gawing parenthesis na lang kasi sino naman yung symbol na ginagamit po natin. Sino naman, when we are going to apply or when we are about to apply parenthesis, para rin naman po ikaw na multiply. So let's have x multiply to 2x. Okay, class ha? Remembering the loss of exponent. Makinig ha, remembering the loss of exponent po during your junior high school days, your teacher in mathematics, if I am not mistaken, presented so many kinds of or different kind of loss when it comes to exponent. Ngayon, having this example, di ba, one specific law po na meron yung exponent po natin is that considering the same variable when multiplying, makinig considering the same variable when multiplying, we are going to multiply the numerical coefficient. Sino po ba yung numerical coefficient po dito, Ma'am Tash? Di ba we have 1 and we also have 2. So we multiply the numerical coefficients, we copy the variable. And we are going to multiply the exponent. This will be now 2x. No, not multiply. We are going to add the exponent. Again, we're going to multiply the numerical coefficient, we copy the variable, and we add the exponent. This would be now 2x squared. Final answer. Di ba ito, exponent pa naman dito is 1. Dito naman po sa kabila is 1. So, we're gonna have the result or the product of 2x squared. Let's have now example number 2. F multiply to g of x is equal to f of x multiply to g of x. This would be now y multiply to 2x. Napakadali lang class. Gusto ko pagtabihin lang po natin. And of course, the variable po should be arranged alphabetically. This would be now 2xy. This would be now 2xy. Bakit po? Y times 2x or 2x times y would give us 2xy. And again, variables should be arranged according to its proper arrangement via alphabet. Let's have number 3. Number 3 is f multiply to g of x is equal to f of x multiply to g of x. This would be x squared y squared multiply to 2x. Final answer here would be 2x multiply to x squared y squared. This would give us 2x cubed y squared. Again, we have here numerical coefficient. Ito po monomial to ha, dalawang variable lang po. Ito po good as monomial. Our numerical coefficient is 1, so 2 times 1 will give you 2. X cubed, saan ito galing? You know, we have here x squared, and we also have here x. So we copy the variable and we add the exponent. This would be x cubed, we copy y squared. Final answer. Alright class, for you to have a further understanding, before proceeding to these examples, let us consider again example number 3. Diba? We have our function f is equal to x squared, y squared. Our function g naman is no other than 2x. What if class, gawin ko po itong negative 2? Or no, gawin ko siyang negative 3. We're gonna have x raised to negative 3, y squared, and g of x natin still 2x. Makinig ha, from squared, pinalitan ko po siya ng negative 3. How are we going to do the process? Still, sabi ko sa inyo class, when adding polynomial with the same variable, we copy or we multiply the numerical coefficient, we copy the variable, and we add the exponent. Pero may condition, di ba? May restriction naman po tayo. Bakit? Kasi what if negative yung isang given na exponent sa ating variable? Pero may kapareho nga siya. Di ba? Process would be ganito. F multiply to g of x is equal to f of x multiply to g of x. This would be x raised to negative 3 y squared multiply to 2x. This would be now 2 x raised to negative 2y squared. Bakit po siya mang-touch naging negative 2? Diba? We copy the variable. Ito automatic, may 1 siya ng exponent, diba? Since magkaiba yung sign nila, we copy the variable. Magkaiba yung sign nila, diba? We're going to subtract the value. And we copy the sign of the higher value. Since between negative 3 and 1, ang mas halang ito si 3, we copy negative and we subtract them. This would give us 2. Therefore, final answer here would be 2x raised to negative 2y squared. Again, people, we're gonna apply rules of integer. Palagi po. Ngayon, this can be a final answer or our final product. Pero, if we're gonna consider negative 2 as our exponent for the variable x, pwede siyang maging 2y squared over x squared. Bakit din po siya pwedeng maging ganito yung final answer natin? By the laws of exponent and division. Makinig ha, di ba? by the laws of exponent in division po, kapag yung exponent po natin for our variable is negative, we are going to apply the law of exponent in division, wherein ibaba na po natin yung expression and yung exponent niya po is magiging na siyang positive. Kaya po kayo, as you observe, this can be a final answer. This will also be a final answer. Nagkataon lang that here on this area, in-apply po natin yung laws of exponent in division, which is kapag yung exponent na nag-negative, answer would be, kumbaga yung expression po is bababa po natin siya and then we tend to change the sign of the exponent into a positive. Let's come now to our fourth example. Our function f is 3x. Our function g is 4x plus 5. Notation,